So I Am the King is again in what position? I'm waiting. I'm not telling you. Guessing now? Write that in your music right up on top. So know what hand position you're in. And they want you to also start working on your phrases. They give you some dotted lines to give you some ideas where they start. Draw those in like it says on top. And we'll talk about that when you get in. But also notice those phrases and those sentences in the music should kind of relate to each other. Alright? The song isn't too hard. It's actually pretty slow. But the eighth notes throw people off a lot. Which makes me sad because you guys are better than that. So the eighth notes aren't really too tricky. It's pretty much the same rhythm the whole time. Alright? So get that pretty solidly, and I'll give you some hints here too. This part right here, a lot of people get caught on that. But on the bottom it says make up some words to go with the right hand fifths. And I usually think of the words of the song. I am the king, I am the king. And that'll help you get the idea. Screams out to you. The next part has some sharps and naturals. So we have a black key, and then it's white. But again, the rhythm isn't too hard there. And then we have the I am the king, I am the king. We go back to the same thing as the beginning. But now here the left hand takes the I am the king, and it's loud. Again, a lot of people get tricked on that too. Not so much the rhythm there, but the notes. But if you think that's just a G chord, don't tell anybody I told you. So it's a G chord, that's pretty easy. And then we get back to that sharp and natural, but then long, long, long. Intervals, and you're done. So that last part we're tardandos, so fifth, fourth, and take your time. Take your time to get to that third at the end, okay? Not too tricky of a song. You'll get it.